Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch D and I'm gonna show you how to charge this watch. Before we start, you will need a couple of things. You will need a charging cable that was provided with your watch, looks something like this. You have the end with the charging, station or something like that, and the end with the USB cable or plug rather. And you will need a charging brick. You can connect your charger tool, for example something like this, or you can plug it in to the computer or something like that. Okay, now I'm gonna plug the charging brick into power outlet, and also I'm gonna use this USB extension cable so I can reach it. So I'm gonna plug the charger, and now I can plug the USB end of the charging cable to the USB port like this. So technically my charger is already plugged in to power. Now I'm gonna take this end of the charging cable, the station end or whatever it is, and then I can place our watch right on it. As you can see, the watch is charging now. And you can leave it like that until it's done charging. And after it's done charging, you can simply pick the watch from the station because it's magnetic, so you can simply unplug it, and then you can unplug it from the power source, be it a brick or a computer, like this. And that's how you charge this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.